Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Join me on Facebook this year. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook and YouTube. Let's go. Join me on Facebook. Jim FM. You see a video on social media. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook and on YouTube. Yeah. If you don't want to say you have a weekend in one, I was MC. Mas I can see me, you know. At the bunny, wait free her. Come. Na I'm Rahusam. Here, grand bed. Mas me, you know. Bako registration number GT 5629-19 and about also registration number GE 5510-15. Omu bako de na VIP bus. Yeah. Amunu muha. Nipa dunsia 16 fun. Oh, I see. There's a man some account man I do 19. I see. Well, you join me on Facebook. Video no neda hono. Video no neda hono. Overtaking you. No, join me on Facebook number here. This is sad. This is sad. Hey! Niema obas ni mu na twogu nipa no so na. I want to see you at Chimasafo. Inti towing car and Abesiwa. Chambers in the back. Now shop bus in the party. Oh no. What's sending a bus? You know, aya. Hey! You're pentama quahin. You're pentama quahin. Nipa dunkunon. Abotreka crabinti. Nipa dunkunon. Nipa dunkunon. Ashre woman kwa. No. So stay with us on Facebook. Yanko yanim na esi Achimasafo. And ɛda Facebook no memenda no wetu so yawre hosem nipa miensa wamu kwa yiyo akwanhye si no nipa miensa ɛhɔ wamu firim awre hosemi asen nyankoma se ɛkwan so na awre hosemi esi na amanfo eno wamu kwa yiye ɛwɔ asen mesre nyame eti sa wo hwɛ me Facebook a ɛna da hɔ no wɔn kwa yie na Facebook ɛmɛma paa wɔn su ɛmɛma paa wɔn su and will be that stretch as well. Ambulance aba yede no etumu no. Obi that stretch as well. Ambulance aba yede no etumu no. Obi a wo ma hwere mu de hye na mu kwayi. Na wo mu kia truck ni mu ana. Kwado ma mi afred amu anka bibisa no. Oh no. Na uhwe kwan no a akwanhye si wo so na. Nya kwan papa bi nso. Anambwa. Oh. In fact, as I'm not reho. Okay, you know what? Stay with me on Facebook. Stay with me. So on my Facebook are joining me. Happenings over the weekend. Na niedi niedi ho no kra de eno akwadwo unim say pictures ni mantimi ahwe o. Mantimi ahwe. But ayo say. Amachi obi eso na so yam hye won. Adwuma so person ye no. Joining me on Facebook. Picture no a taxi driver. Wabano so a nurse ni 25-year-old nurse. And a kwamuka for armed robbers. Eko to say one so. Driver no ni nurse ni India. Once an etuo no kasa nurse ni abodwe ho. And a fake driver no so ni tri ho. Arawusami subin so ntra kwan so wenchi ena esi Erica Edufa a 25-year-old nurse on the amunum ha Erica no da ho no na sani amfoni no atie ni nti yentimi nye ne colored sani amfoni no atie pa no ya ye wode ye won colored we phone so na mintimi hwe uhwe free na no eba na bodwe ase ha ne kom ho ye say hode ho nyina asay enti Erica youngness eno da ho no womo prepare no so bi ena womo egwa yan sabia ho no ye rade I am Rahusam. Taxi Opel Astra. Ana a free intra airport Subinso number 2. And Akoshiasa Akwenshie. Taxi registration number JW4850X. Memendano and Numre Baye non son econo no watch hono. Memendano and Numre non son no watch brem hono. And sa Arahusemi esi. Na amaniani chese am Roberts who said taxi no banwa. And I want film rem begina kwan so. Shia taxi no to tutu oguma pipe. Oh no. This is sad. Well, stay with me on Facebook. Nafi yanko asante mantem. Obuase tutuka. Isaac K no menyo. Ebi amane abrain. Eja asaya japade eja. Brono a friend tutuka. 6 bedrooms. Eja ashini nyina adrebe na join me on Facebook. Video no na da ho no. Onsa nkofo no mafa tray a. Omodi atwinsu oguja ni mu no. Mema pa na omukura tray. Adi atwinsu oguja ni mu. Na 6 bedrooms. Fei drinking spot bako eka ho. Janwa shini nyina. Amaneni chese fiura wo fie ho. Kasa anadwo wo munda. Eno mo ti se bibi ato. Afei no mu yan se gya no enamadan no mu nyina. Nipamro. Obi afredi. Fire service. Cars miensa. Ene tumi edumu gya no. Cars miensa. Ene tumi dumu gya no. It is a show video no about fire service cars bako ene si ho. Ani padom omamo ehwe so betimi edumu gya no. Omo amode bucket konsuo. Yasem. Arehusem pa. Na ne emu wakra ne se wo mche se sa oboase ntam ho no a na se nyahihia no ekoso pa ekoso pa Lots of your Facebook comments coming through. But stay with us. Now for me from if you feel mantem. Gomoa Nyenyano. na otwe wie Kofi Ajay e dia mane bo eno na metie from to breakers here bono emu na ahensam ho Kofi Ajay mane chere Bomo nyanya no hini a wo wi fie aduanan afei ena womo aye ntotoye wahini no efri mu adaduanan ni enti sani amamre etie no omo ye nhihye apa wahine foforo na ho amamra omguso eye omo dwumadie no ase a omo ti pipe ena ja wahine foforo no omo de no agi hosa na tututu no koso a ama hwe no kwaka nipa baako amono ho a ohwere ne nkwa bomo anyanya no nipa baako ahwere ne nkwa ahensam nti Eti sa wo hwa me Facebook a nyanya no krom ho enie wo sa ma me bi gira ho no a wo super yes tai no foni bi ada tai ni mu a yes na no Kofi Ajay kire se ohene foforo ya yesi no yi ni foni ena edaja ni mu a yes no Germany frigo mo nyenya no eno no ahensam ka ba ko dia wo mo sai wa ma pai ka no glass nyina abobbo ne nkane ka no na ohunu no Good morning, no. Stay with us. Na me phone ko atoya mantem. Krobia ye fro ho wasa mamia so. I hope I got the name right. Nipa miensa wamuti motorcycle yi bi so nipa miensa o anya mienu anya baako nipa miensa ma omakohia akwanhia nti video no na eda so no motorbike no amote so no amane ne che se eni truck kese bi ele kodi mpu ma sa rehu semi esi enti video no ana wo hwa no akwanhia ne si wo bridge bi so bridge no yakasa bridge no abu ama akwantufo a wo mo enam bridge no so tu kwan Omaka nsuo no agya omaka ho bridge no abu nipa miensa ne ya mu nyina nsuo nim Husam no so I don't know. Dabina Osha bridge out to say bridge na ayemre. Bridge no ayemre. Well, on the issue of LGBTQI. Okay, but answer na be no so no. We just yare hosemo esi wo doma. Yare hosemo a esi wo doma. Be mu a minim adwene eda no so. Minim ohawo a wo komu. Minim ni esi. Abrantie no ahye no ho akonfo. Be mu a and it's sad. Abrantie no was saying dia so no. Wo share Facebook a Abrantie no na ede aro no ato no so no. Abrantie come on. Ahye no ho akonfo. No, join me on Facebook. No. Yeah, Brantia no and what about tie? Come on. Man for how, but I will share me my foot to Kakana play. He said, no matter what you are going through. Hold on. Don't take your life. When you be in casa, talk to somebody. Brantia, what's this so? And I watch and how confirm. Okay, T. And back to the LGBTQI issue. I'm penny His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Wakasa biem. Me can biem because wakasa de that. No man for you, man penny wankasa. Wajituba na se wanjintum. Man penny wankasa. Inti Amo St. Michael and All Angels Cathedral. Mampong. Ashanti. Mampani akasa. Akasa. Biana wonte. Wonte ni o mampani ekanya no. Yentie ni bio.
I've said this before. And let me in conclusion stress again that it will not be under the presidency of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo that same-sex marriage will be legal. The same-sex marriage will be legalized in Ghana. It will never happen in my time as president. Let me repeat, it will never happen in my time as president.
That's right. Was I see Subio? Let me repeat, it will never happen. It will never happen. No, my interview.
I've said this before. And let me in conclusion stress again that it will not be under the presidency of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo that same-sex marriage will be legal. The same-sex marriage will be legalized in Ghana. It will never happen in my time as president. Let me repeat. It will never happen in my time as president.
Well, inti I'm penning. Any attending cano. Well, on this note, Maminko Maneso. Na mene Fifi Bright or ye activist for LGBTQI mene no entwetwe enkomo fi wote nka
me pacho me ton kapa
bibi abakọ de
o pacho me oye na monso
egusun kakra Fifi say ufro ho activist na chese Fifi
me pacho as an activist no medical aid for they say we push for the human rights of every ordinary Ghanaian, minority group or the majority, whoever you are and whatever you stand for. At least we believe that human rights there, as I say, now we enjoy just like every other Ghanaian without fear and without intimidation. In fact, as an activist now. This is what I do.
Okay, me beside because of beautiful Sebia as an activist, kwano uye bia until na me bisano.
Okay, but me ankasa personally bia me bia.
Wankasa personally bia unye bia.
But I would like to state on record that we support every act of the LGBTQI community.
Okay.
Yeah.
Adentina unye bia.
Oh, me pacho say what the kind of LGBTQI for no Nsem omota ka say omo atinka omo feelings, and we as activists we understand what they are saying. Said you obema bi oba ono say me be any say e wo emamu kra no enye oba bia na matinka e wo ne e side. Obi o ha ne de ne so obi asede no so a eno na ono pe obi so o ha ope oba le tire no aye kakraka eno so na matenka no ko enti ni so bi ba no se me e bema na se matenka ko obema ho a ni gidie ni se boni bia animu wa ka se aha sanso na se oba so ka se me so matenka ko me yonko ba ho a ni gidie ni se boni bia animu. Once no crime has been committed there, why not allow people to express love and express it openly without having to hide, without having to be targeted as evil and say inkumomo and abisa. Intimidation me because me no ka say matenka enkosa
Well, we make us say watenka enkosa. But do we consider what our laws say before we even get to religion and the issue of culture and morality near Inano near Emrano Eka Fifi? Are we aware?
Oh, me pacho, a discussion na koswache na section 104 no amount for kika. Iti amaya no binum so aye ne lawyer for no. We have been able to educate ourselves with the law. Now, Emrano and targeting homosexuals, the Uche Emrani your kind or natural canal knowledge, which means that anything outside of Bema, any Oba, anything outside that is considered unnatural canal knowledge. And Emrani said, maybe say a chick, Yagana Funina. Yes, typically at the LGBTQI community. So but I believe morning radio, I wouldn't want to use certain words. But you can see
no, but Sanchez Muno bet me a boy kakra. Fifi.
I will try and make sure that there are any two obscene.
Bomadina Fran and to na feature him kakra.
Me patcho. Obema ni ombemu umpemu agro no Nancy and number 4 bar. You go to excite their partners. You know, they do so many things which is outside our so-called cultural norms and way of behavior. One such example is Obama to me then I'm not man. Oh, so that I don't. And I think Obama to me then I'm not a pleasure. The partner or your Obama, which can all be considered on natural canal knowledge. And we move dear. But I believe it's a full team almost to the American.
Okay. See, remember say I go into detail because I'm going to but me did say matter on my penny statement, categorical statement on LGBTQI. Mo jeni say Fifi.
Me patcho statement no, unfortunately no. Me say the full year kind no, but kakra echo around the media is that I'll say he will never under his watch realize Papa
Jinaso na tie mame why Jinaso okay Jinaso yentie.
I've said this before, and let me in conclusion stress again that it will not be under the presidency of Nana Addo Akufo-Addo that same-sex marriage will be legal. The same-sex marriage will be legalized in Ghana. It will never happen in my time as president. Let me repeat. It will never happen in my time as president.
Jim FM.
Fifi.
Yes, sir.
You heard the president. Okay.
Yes, we heard the president. Yes.
Good. Me too.
Me Pacho, personally, no. I think that the president was playing to the rhetoric, and rightfully so. No, I understand where he's coming from, and the DNA of he finds himself. No, he was literally pandering to the Christian evangelicals. The president not too long ago, Al Jazeera conducted interview. If you've had the opportunity to say, he even explained reasons how and why homosexuality can become or can be legalized in Ghana. Crime or cite example, or no as the president, no crime, what's not London. Now, time I know homosexuality in London was illegal. Now, the same on Al Jazeera forecast and homosexuality in England is legal.
But okay, say pressure on mount here.
Exactly. Okay, say pressure on mount here. And knowing this, he's actually admitting to the fact that nobody can stop change. Nobody can stop the wind of change, which guarantees equal rights and justice to everyone. But because of your society and how people deem homosexuality and how people speak against it, as a president, and as a political figure elected by the masses, he was pandering to the Christian evangelicals, like I said. It's not in the context of Quran. Nissan baby no or can assembly say see the another person the embassy. So is he saying that in future will be for presidency, a better possibility and now so person Ghana had the embakra. In some of Canada will be a little ambiguous.
But Vivi, you don't take the president serious.
Oh, I take him very, very serious. Why not? I take him very, very serious. Me as a person, personally, I am a sympathizer of Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. And I take him very, very serious. But I also understand the office now occupying, and that he has to be a father figure for all. You understand? That is the role he has taken upon himself. But like I said, Nekasa with the Christian community was somewhat ambiguous. But we will still keep fighting for our human rights. I explain it to Ghanaians why we are doing or pushing the agenda we are pushing. Hopefully, in years to come, posterity will judge all of us, and and all Ghanaians will be free and, enjoy their human rights as enshrined in the Constitution.
Okay. Fifi, Jinasuma me Isaac Buama, Buama Dakwa, convener, journalist against LGBTQ out. Isaac Wahomano, so Ike.
Senior.
Boko.
Yamiadum.
Good. If you don't know, me who ready, but me, I'm the big bomb, sir. Of course, I said that's good.
What should I say? What should I say? We straight. What should I say? The Yankropon boy, South Africa would this war. What should I say? We will be a sebi. Men can say white would daho a pa. And I say this without fear or a year favor. Say, Jerry, white would daho. Minia, Mampani na Adom Kufuado. Kasa Baba Kasa and Central for Yitia LGBTQI. Yabona Bason. Wayade. Omonio. And near my 9 and Central for Yadichonanim. Emuminu. Waye. Akemuminu. And we are not that satisfied, say. Mampania Baba Kasa were close down a year the LGBT office. And no. We have issued another statement, and in the statement, what we want to put out there to the masses and say, it is not enough. Excuse me, that way. Say, one kasehuna, so akasakeke. Yes, na ye expect so be kasawaka. I mean, from back, Professor J.E. Mills of blessed memory, or can the same thing. John Dramani Mahama, through his Minister of Information, can the same thing. Nana do danko gufado. One kasa personally, one also can. But the reason why we are saying is that it's not enough. And it said, Professor Mosaka, John Dramani Mahama, and I'm the information minister, so ever the kind. Nana do danko gufado, so ever the kind. And now he ain't going to that man, and a gun and man penny for about the cancer because Professor Mos kind, let's you of few animals, and the almost same mom, whom so. Because I'm also call John Dramani Mahama by, and I'm saying mom, whom so. John Dramani Mahama call Nana don't go for Abba, and I'm saying mom, whom is not do Ababaka. So now do really tell me, now back for bar, on the same Ababaka for Anna. Are we only expecting your mom penny for say, one back and say, oh, let the young pencil, pencil, now when I pencil the end of the basso. This is what we want from the president. Journalists against LGBTQI plus Ghana. Minia, you heard me say, Mampanina Danko Kufuado. Criminal Offences Code 1916 section 104. Yang claim my yang. Ye sent your Supreme Court. Nanki Aquaco seek clearer interpretation to that act. Because say young qua, ye train your mamma in the Phoebe say. On natural law, on natural legislative instrument, Franco Parliament. I kind of preface say, well, even who back who say we are gay, well, back who say we are lesbian, well, back who out there say we are homosexual, shouldn't only be say when the person is caught in the act and your offense. And and you're right, and you're right. So that is what we want the president to do. That is number 3. They're saying why you two are the third one is on from Ranko Parliament. I bet shouldn't say, oh, be a cram, Mampani, be a crop bano. What to me, not to me, be a crampon cafe. Or no, or Baba Casabia, major to my name, to my veranda, a very simple. That is what we want the president to do. Secondly, the fourth a year, yes, Mampani say, obey. Any the Australian ambassador to Kroma, any Danish ambassador, the EU officials, and on Gusuti Kroman. I said, one Pam woman feel Kroman, he has the power, your man mandate, constitutional man of coin. Yes, Article 9 of the Vienna Convention, man of coin, Article 41 and 42 of the Vienna Convention, man of coin. That's what the president must act. Mount Nansen Gassel, Macassa being to and Yama Pens. Why are pencil no the Oma Majintum?
It means that Isaac Mampani Kasayano is not enough.
It's not enough. We are not satisfied. We are only happy the president has spoken, but the fact that he's spoken, that is not to our satisfaction. We are not satisfied.
I see. Fifi.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, the way forward for the community. I don't know. Maybe some say the LGBTQI plus community. Ghana, how come do I saying? Well, I can't tell. Maybe you can help us. I don't know.
Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to address some few false statements made by my brother Lawyer Boama.
Okay.
I would rather disappoint him that the closure of our office didn't come from the presidency. As a journalist that I believe he is, he should fact check before he speaks on radio. Number two, I think going forward, like you asked, we would seek recourse to all legal avenues available to us to still keep on pushing forward our agenda. Saying that there should be a law criminalizing people carrying themselves as homosexual, it's rather unfortunate because what it does, and many times they are complaining, it would lead a certain group of people to become targets to the masses. And that is something you don't do, you understand. But on the other side, we understand what they are saying, and it's their right to express themselves in any way they deem fit. Now, the kindness and what we've been saying from the very beginning is that our rights as Ghanaians should be protected. You don't see someone and target them as homosexuals and vilify them because of how you feel or how you think. And Nayaka over time immemorial said that is wrong. As to what the president will do going forward here, as Ghanaians, we are quietly observing. I don't think my brother Lawyer Boama would like to, as it were, take the president's job for him and instruct the president on who to sack from the country and who not to. But I know as it is, they will be able to make an argument to me. We understand him. But here, as a community, I can assure you 100% that we would seek all available options to still push and advance our cause as a community. I know I can promise Mr. Boama say, okay, whatever he says, we will still keep on pushing.
Pressure, that needed pressure. Yes. To push this through. No, and I am be before friend Fifi.
For now, we are back to the drawing table.
I see.
The first available option is to seek the law court to help us at least protect our presence and our rights as human beings. If there is any other thing we would look at engaging in going forward, we will let the Ghanaian community know. Demonstrating. Are we going to get there, Vivi? Like I said, we are still on the drawing board, and we want to look at all available options to us. And if that becomes an option, why not? We will communicate it, and then we will take it from there.
I see.
However, I am very disappointed that this whole Friday Red Against Homosexuals, so who can't publicly say you also join. But again, it's also your right, Isaac. Jerry.
My member of honor, because definitely the pressure is going to mount. And
exactly.
I don't know what next for.
Jerry. Also, court. We journalists against LGBTQ plus will contest every case out of the court. Court no be baby assembly will be yes, as interested party against them, and we will not relent and give them that a year and what they know how much years are there. Now without some hit the street. You may hit the street in here.
Hey,
if they are men enough, they should hit the street and let's see. Some of that and what they know more that boldness, some of that courage, sir, on by hit the street now. How could you allow? I don't even think the police will allow illegal people to hit the streets.
No, but it's no, Isaac, it's their right. Demonstration there.
It's not their right. They have the right to demonstrate.
Yes.
You won't allow armed robbers to demonstrate on the street, protest. Armed robbers, protesting. No, anything illegal. Condoning in illegality, no, is not allowed. No consequence so central for also. We have said that we will contest in court every case on the court to be a young as interested parties against them. And also we are not instructing the president to say president in Pamcrophobia. You know, therefore, you have the right to request the president to do something on our behalf. That is why we requested the president to say, "Yampe gay, some yampe lesbianism, some yampe homosexuality, some our Grand Hanman Mampanians with Yababayet and Wababakasan." And again, I'll say, I should fact check my information. William, your diplomacy. Onshare diplomacy kakra. Ushanya sembiana mampani be babonti akase o menam ye, menam kasi you menam kama ye. The president instructed for the closure of the office. If they don't know, they should.
Please, you have any evidence to that effect? You can't put on radio
initially, I told you, I told you,
I did not close down the office.
We said it, and it was true. When the office was locked, yes, the company or that's your friend's closure. When it comes to diplomacy, I
mean, please.
Well, gentlemen, my men na young friends here, Fifi, Isaac, thank you very much for your time. The best for now. Actually, we be any best so akasa ebio enti Isaac Buama and wote nenkano Isaac Buama Dako a convener, journalist against LGBTQI, and Fifi Bright is an activist for LGBTQI. And I'm a normal Ekasa, you know. Now, and I pay Saupe Bibia, a bit me a bois. Na a ginger body no, I'm at the moon, what's me and Saho, then the Abu Juma. And a pebiani breakfast. Senyan Nescafia. But oh, nice a one she. Nescafe sweet and creamy. Ekoye papa. Enti anapay pe 1 Ghana cedi pe. Na afei ma sanka Nescafe sweet and creamy no ebi 1 Ghana cedi pe mild coffee that is sweet and creamy. Oh try it and you will thank me later. Pe Nescafe na bobo. Embra breakfast just got better with Nescafe sweet and creamy. It all starts with Nescafe. So, what about money sika? But my day say ebeye Vodafone so and our befa. Ma name for Vodafone cash so. It's an say no na sumje wumu. Me kan sumje a. Also woman 100 Ghana near to 1 cedi 200 near to 2 cedis. Oh say woman 1000 Ghana cedis ah. You can imagine. That's a tiana yet, but Vodafone cash is really a free. Vodafone cash a free until dial star 110 hash star 110 hash. Nothing for Vodafone cash and so money sika and pedudu bia sika dudu bia for Vodafone cash so yento free Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? What's it down where no? Say a dapadia no, wabaka SCSC honeymoon ya many number so about Humbaya. Ejina locks are the better to see no. And a bebuau. Locks. So I began the pabon for intimate mebu dine any. Emiao. Into locks no here papa. And they nails and locks enterprise. And the locks a papa. Locks papa. Number 1 dealers in top quality security locks, padlocks and steel doors for your homes, shops and offices. And tishanin so o shop ni mu niema no say wetin abo ho ban nails and locks. For lock papa, say padlock na wo hwehwe nails and locks ebetimi aboa wo sa kwan no. So we stock the very best of stainless steel and full brass products, ranging from mortise locks, security padlocks, hinges, tower bolt, and washroom locks. Antibomoding say only ebetwetwen and komo. It sounds so expect advice on products for new projects and or renovations. So we renovations bia na only ebetwetwen komo ebeboa ama futua ebeboa ma adwuma no etimi akoso ede amount. Say ubeto ye made in Turkey steel security doors no so. Your amount free installation. your bulletproof made in Turkey steel security doors your free installation. Samsung a discount up to 50%. So we talk main lock up to 50%. And I fee on all other accessories like door hinges, stoppers, tower bolts, and we break account so discount on honoma. Me I enjoy. Nails and Locks Enterprise. Yawo and crying. UTC, any Bank of Africa, any Dean Moon. UTC, any Bank of Africa, and a Dean Moon. Wait me a friend, and I also appear our numbers me 0249 232329 0249 232329 and 0244 66 8701 0244 66 8701. Okoye website www.nailsandlocks.com www.nailsandlocks.com. Nails and Locks, affordable, guaranteed security. Shannon Son sa emame. Lots of your Facebook comments. Okay, Alex Nkansa say, please, can you take down the advert from your platform as it appears you are promoting an illegality? Thank you. Daniel Kofi Saltman. I say, I'm disappointed in the media, pa. We don't need this thing. Ghana, we close their office. Why interviewing them day in and day out? Why? Daniel Kofi Saltman. So there, or they buy no. Okay. We say singers K Inkum. I say activists keep saying our office, our community. He may be part of them. And also so no 80 na no. For message 0556 748 0556 748 Shannon Sumami. Abraham happenings over the weekend, near a sea, Aquentia a sea, no voice, ewa hayabebo, nafi, ivia. Na driver nina, onunya ni 3D mono, ye beti in sama wade etu jana fi ivia, yatime, akwayanim. But mame and Kyle, Puma drinks, ewo Dwaso, Puma drinks. Ewo edwaso anebo no eda from pa enti Shannon so open orange ana open tropical open banana open apple open pineapple malt open energy open cranberry tamarind ubenya no na onso so odi atwo no mo fra ne mpani nyina ani age ho. And so this is the new vibe. It's a whole new vibe, and it's another quality product from Casapreco Company Limited. Casapreco Company Limited. Anyone that from Sanamidi Kaka, 13 Ghana cedis, a wholesale price. Packing in 13 Ghana cedis. Now, for retail, also so 15 Ghana cedis per pack. 1 cedi 50 pesos bottle. 1 cedi 50 pesos for full. 80 kopebi na 2 pound na unsunyam faswo na intimi enkoyenim. Open do to our friend 0262 351251 0262 351251 na one Casapreco Company Limited for atwetwe enkomo arusemo esi ya nesini awanya mfie aduonunum mohwe ne nkwa ya amrobes koto hye wo so a wo mo nipa mienu free mu saa munum hwa no driver ni a wono enya ni tiri edidi na kosem ni esi ya nkasa yentie
koye duma wusubi so ne nkura time ko ya no na asetam ko kakra na mi ko fa taxi ne nkura ina ne ko ya edu akabe sebe 3 months ana yedu mchira na ni hu an so obinum the touch I said we go to me gina ko ya adwene se bikra obi anya problem na ye ti no mu gina ye ese kan ye si twam na no mo rahye ne di twudie o mo to be se 4 tutu mensa we ya isi mensa kase wu munyi ne gugu very unfortunate say ipija mensa me tika na gabi na sini baby ono so oya djuma won kira na tamko timi kura no omka say yemfanye hye mu nam so nipa no kura dos bad ori si mu ono kwa na aka hoji e kugya no ha enyi na efa ni hye nti mensa left mu say etika no mu mienu nti ay say e kire so na mapija mensa no dia say ya to ni siti na ete so nti me say nipa no shutu na kamti si nti na mensa na die eda mienu so nti ebo me esere chi sei epie me ko bogem nti bogem no omu jimbi to fam yo me sa chi sheshe butum nyina ti me raksi no se mawu no me say we die we nti mu nya me ko na e bucket to kra ba ko ka ho no so be say 14 years ono di bia nya me kra ba emi sa na me no ko e ba ko na da ho driver no die sisi aye ka sai die ya no ko konfanachi na madam no so die sisi na ko shi fridge sai ni si ya e frame fusinu amana die ni pa bibi ni ya di frame chira frame si ni amana ma di 50 years 50 fi subin so na ko chira na abobe yese 7 o'clock to 7:30 a family has him. A family said, you see, say, or much you I don't know, say, AK 37, say, Rafu. A bomb has said it true me. Until 2 what a Bobano de Coca again, again. Oh, sorry. Police, my home, and a cry a kind. Tom said, 70 years. I'm a report to you, almost better. More than 30 minutes, na police be a maho. Nti obi drove for in the Grua, or in a car, the fire, or the echo should be so. I'm a transfer by him. Tia Bahasana, police for the winning. You crew must have my Mr. Toby. Only the campus and a police for so. Mr. Willie on so police side inspector. I want to so Russia by near. Have police for me. It won't be beside, but they say you may die, so none of you actually die.
Okay. Engineer taxi driver no kura Opel Astra car. Nipa mienu ehwere wo monkwa ewu mu no ana ode nakosem eto edwa. Very, 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 very sad. Akasimanu Adwonu na nwotwe aboshe so we are live on a number of affiliate stations. Enti se wudru in Sokwa higher time 90.9 FM or in Sokwa Bechem so oti enka wo High Radio 103.1. Dwaya nkwanta so oti enka wo Charity 99.9 FM. Takrade Good News FM so in the yedru sashi dabi so High Vision FM. Yedin so oti enka wo Alive FM. So Daniel Techi just saying I am a mentonka. Pandan so tienka ewo Asase FM or so far Asase. Good morning to you. Tamale and so tienka ABC Radio. Waguze?
Yeah, no chana mama or so far Asase.
Me chana ma
be 2 years ago na. Me kai so bre ba irebi.
Ta ba ire de bia ka ho ase.
Ba ire ne de de. Na asa.
But ebi ma biem.
Asa.
Ntina say ebi nya den.
Me de men ka say ebi nsa mbra na ma me de me be say me twe say asa. Ni bu ne be. Oh.
There's a ka say ebi nsa mbra biem.
Ekoba ne sa asa me sere.
But opeso manu hu say
asa.
Okay.
Ai, ye na e kama. Mu da wudi so a utum say frem kama pa. Ani putu hwegu so. Nano memene de bia.
Eti Osofo Asase, good morning to you.
Eti e chia Osofo Asase. Na bayre ne na asa.
Udun Plaza High Cha FM. So any such so Radio Rainbow so na oti enkan Alaska Joe.
Na Cha FM ni mo jengel no.
Debut.
Onko hoda. Oh yeah, ko me jili bia metai ko.
Saon.
E cha FM bete hello.
Jim FM.
En kranza o kwa mako fori fa nko omo join bi e fro obuonye suru. Obuonye suru. Ukoduru obuonye suru ho na obehu kusinamon. Ana sa eyi your friends akante. Yitwa ne panchi o na ne die ne nyina atua so. Bra, wan hwe a oba be sa no ma kwotena nkranza. Sa, obuonye suru. Jai
Akoso ho.
Ehode. Nkranza ko bia hene na naji mensa. Ma menchia no na naji mensa. Wo bo adwuma wo kwa asede na besi agye.
Oka fufu asemi. Weekend yakokufu dia. Yanam kwaso yakoni atisa wo fire midday news nam say abu adwuma. Meni ayo na obri abo afentem frem. Memenda no ye pon na wotwi ya na pua.
Na moko ya.
Yekoja enia Enoch kwasi walanyo Wallace. Okakata na mama echi kura nti memenda no na efe bia kama Jubilee Park. Na yeduru ko fodu na mkochi a menu aba. Gertrude Ejekum. One oda wo aboso choba. Won say ko fodu stadium hono aboso
me kwa korre no
aba na yeduru ho ehura dia
e ne koso kana men kan di ho nchew
ade na ho
dabi na won kan di koso na me de ma kan di ho ti kan di koso no na me men kan di ho nchew
enya sab ketwa che fufu pa kwasi mi twa pictures bi ga to so ma omo na paina
Muri fufu. Satan na abo besen.
Akranche. Kwasi na abo besen. Be 2. Yeah.
Na se mudi fufu na nsa na mokwa yi.
Na ma de ne ye de kwan se.
Mokwa yi na se.
Ye kwa yi na se kochi awie ni ade na fe.
Na mo bedi fufu. Na sanka o sanka mu buada. Ye di areho. Fufu ni areho de. Ojina me say kade e course na men kade o nche no ya pesa me cho ne say ma anya de
say kwa ye ni ekodidi
ka wasa mo kire kom
na
ye buada
wala se no angaza nsa na ma me da fam no eti
ye buada
eti endidi
debi ye buada ude ubedi e bi kra ude di to ana ga le so kis na fufu de ka wasa nka mu free ho eba enkan
hansa ne abedi
na mo sa akọ
hey
na ndi just mo so mu kodidi
adwuma ye no hoyi
ya fa kwa wo sune ma prof
ya man ya ko in fact o na pay me ba me ngina kasafidie su na menda obi bia ase menda obi bia ase obi a obeboa in fact ya man ye fe adwuma hampani for Ura Abdullah Awudu ye hunu ho nana elegba
HR
you know Dwaso team no nyina so ya kan ye hubom kwata na chi kama yeah inti professor do bibia ase oso do bibia ase se anapei wote
Jim FM
na che se e aseda e aseda
kajani aseda inti professor EK Wallace
oso do bibia ase
na inti we onza okwa yi ase a na ne Ghana for mpacha mo for mason family say ejina ha na Professor EK Wallace head of sports account brands multimedia
ko
wono no se emphasize damamo
ko
prophecy ade to na ni
ko
na wabebo mama ne ma na machi anhwe no
ko
na ade to obi ani anyo no na yie sanso e na oye bi na so adasani na efro aye boafo prophecy na ni aso de mo ye no etisa na migina ha prophecy emphasize the PC emphasize the sno
kagum
aseda kese aseda konkron yemfama Ghana fo nyina mo amutimi ba ne mo amantimi amma prophecy esie ni kaja ni aseda etiade echi na uti Adom FM uti Asempa FM uti Israel FM woko Adom online anase Adom TV no answer prof EK Wallace the only professor in sports na seda en wode ma wi aseda no so beje ni adas ntina ne yampene ne
na me dan Professor Kofi Abraham ono obi di agoro yi no ase
prof studio dinane na so de aboa wo
enyum
sa
oh ja
prof de
na Kobe Stone esi dwom
Kobe
ewuradia
ode asamane ne ko Kobe ko sa
Kobe Stone na yi paso hini o
ka sa mo chechero na mu ja Kobe ma na ko sa o
enti asedane edema obifia enti
my dear
ever the bon krata na person
eso ne akoma wo ho
e fantastic e ho asedane em fama Vodafone the future is exciting ready na fi Agbeve Herbal Center
na affiliates no awie sa wo bo na ja
mi wie apo
me de makeka be
yes mi dru Seshudwaboso Radio Rainbow so ho na Alaska jo wo no na fi ofie 105.9 FM enso achemda Miami diem ofie FM ewa achemda ho so yedem na fi Tachiman so free FM so ho free FM so ewo ho na udru Elmina so Asafo FM 99.1 ewo Elmina ho so yedem na udru Japan so Jafric Radio Japan
amekase bi ogumwa side ogumwa de ogumwa German
ogumwa nyiresi
amekase bi
it nana pop Jafric Radio or Japan. Good morning to you and the rest of the team. Baku nkrata no aba na
Daily Graphic de obokrata na de chance Daily Graphic de obokrata na say COVID-19 pandemic say aban ayi miamia mako aduanan mensa ho ne epic centers chese baabi ayare no aban hwe map no na wo baabi ayare no keka kone ayi a otum za ha ho ne bi people abon say bo pe na say yare no kosro pa wo ho abe o say mako aduanan mensa ene wo mangana eti sa miamia no ene nduro no dodo na abekose de ebe ye omanfo ho ne ebetimi awo mu bi ntene ehun sem ababeto montren na school placement ehun sem so abasambra meka se nkra no ya place yo mo bi mu so ho a ya se computer no ba bi o mu chusu ye no computer no call round edru ho na se wo mo de na ase na a emfa etiaso o man kwa na ja wo mo enkoye hwemu na wo man ko pe ba bi a wo mo betimi akosua de ntia na da obokrata Daily Graphic and Sembika we home what they aba monte won saka na afi wapi bi akenkan kama Daily Graphic the obokrata man for Daily Graphic and fanto na me for Chronicle and fanto so Chronicle the obokrata no de won some aba monte na Chronicle some mampanyini bisa ko san ya Chronicle Wamase mampanyine ebisa wo wie no no asa yi anon wa say President Akufo-Addo says it bluntly na osi gay and lesbian under me epain wo wie no no asa yi anon tofia kwa na esanya de beba so ntene the obokrata the Chronicle what the Nsem aba mountain na World Bank yes wo maba mountain abeyi nsembia no nsembia opanyine Alex Mood kane GMP panyin pa wode beto montre se Ghana kwasa agreement bia ne yase ba ye de ba kwati adumso na power purchase agreement na ye sign ye no na opanyine na ka bibisa na World Bank fo ni mu bi yase World Bank fo ba montre ba be kasa nya de anokuru bia wom no muni mo hwe entie nei so opanyine no wanya na asem na wo ka wonka de onim na wo World Bank fo wonyi omudin enfafrim ti de obokrata the Chronicle or the Nsem aba na CJ kratafa etoso nwotwe ena abeto jase say asante mantem nkrofo bia aresabia amanfo bia hospital na hospital na o mabie no sai wo muni krata ena o ma tim de asabro mako bia hospital na CJ on madwuma mo ye yes wo yo ba na anyam na opeso ye utunyi nsan ni gua na tetahwe wo kwa ya ne aka kiro table na down kwada so okwada so asibie nam obaka to ne betu na akra no mayi na to atwene dada won betwa abortion na empanyifo akwache wo nipa num ena sabra meka se empanyifo ache wo ma the obokrata the Chronicle what the Nsem aba na yemfa the obokrata we emfa entwaso the publisher the obokra time and also the nsema the publishers the peace council and I was Ghana this year da wamuso mu hia sumdwie essence asumurufie nwo ya kraman we nya da bre se Ghana be kon kan agisa asumdwie tumi adwuma and it is Supreme Court ruling na say match na dey to so 9
ya wada
and na ye first enti ochene bra second bukwada third enti ya wada krudon ni adam fourth na fe chief justice one na pam for mo ba betenase na ruling no omo de abeto monte na we ayeta frawe ase wa mutu awada ya we epaya enyeyi enti no peace council so ba bi abeto bia Ghana fo nyintum na asumdwe etimi koso na yase one district one factory enyuma akreti wo maimu Alan wodi sika tomprada kwadwe chematin no de abeto monte wasi nyuma de abrega na de hye 139,331 139,331 ene alanchamatin wodi abeto monten na mampanyini ni mfonyini da ha ena beautiful Rebecca enso emfonyini da ha na da obokrata e friend said the publisher the workanyina da ene se wase na nado Baumia and spouses to take COVID-19 jab today etiazie ne mampanyini wanu di kan ne akwa COVID-19 pane ni bi na esuro bia wa Ghana fo mu bia na afri ho na wase he urges Ghanaians to support vaccination campaign wase Ghana di hye nyina yentachiri na empane na ye be wo na ho nsem entimi enkoyie etia na da obokrata ye friend said the publisher the odeba bonten no na the obokrata we the bia ba we the new crusading guide the new crusading guide ehonsem ewa ha na ore monte a was a minority leader nesma working in other NS minister designate wono na ebehwa agukansi wonsem so yaso opanyinin astro tefahodo aye no yi ya friendsen Haruna Idrisu was wa chan pepepe na obi anya ne de enya se bia hwotri choche enye kokofu bo obo nua ma ye mpaso ye ko ebi oba bi ne atwa ba bi agya wose da bi won pene saa eti no wo ba wọ́n máa dwuma ni yopo na astrotef no obi anya ne de na nkwadaa no kogina so omuntimi ni agro ntete omo nam wọ́n mo ball na eje Awurade Adom a yesu etimi nya footballers bebrebe mebo wo man no na wose ota okwadu an wa yin America e wo mu se woni abaya fa na mom se e ba astrotef ne de abaya ya de tene Haruna Idrisu wadi abasbody e ma aban se astrotef ne de opanyini wabo adwuma watwa ne yopo na Alanchamatin so na den sama tudwa wase Kumasi to become Ghana's second industrial city na de wakanyina da ene se Asante Mantama inkro Kumasi encha upe baabi ebetintimi mfidie mumnuntum ama wamanfo atumi anya adwuma ye dia na ya Asante Mantama inkro Kumasi ensama Alankwadwo Chermatin wode ato monten no the new crusading guide the ono so ede ba ye eno no na de obokrata Debbie yenko wisdom yamfa daily guide enfanto so na daily guide the obokrata and what the abetu dwa was gay marriages is off limit nana declares nana do dan kwakufu ado and what den sama tu dwa wo chem say gay sensam ne de won so ne enso so china se beba so enye ne penso sa de ye dikati dada no we ne wadi hu nkomo e ho nsem we ha na ya so a was say Mahama petition frivolous lazy says Akufuado na says obia file ni closing a statement na statement a omampanyini na mra nimfo etintimi o de koye na omasem yetiawa say wo hwe ensem omampanyini dada John Dramani Mahama o de koda Supreme Court say 2020 election na mu nsem onhyada ntiase etikabeya nka court enya bibi fanfa ho no mampanyini kirema wo say echembede say ka chembede onim chembede
ani ade ani
chembede ye yemfa say duaba amere wo duane so ana say say nipa ye kan say premature
na say wachema bre
ye friend chembede wachema bre
sesa wachema bre chimbre
chembede desa bre eti mampanyini say o mampanyini dada Mahama nensam na ode kodan court na chembede eti ebeya nka court emo entumu ehonsem ewo ha ene de obokrata de by sanso no opanyini Alex Mood nensem no so ewo ha peace council enso asumbi omosre sanka be yanka Ghana yehwe ema ne mra no ene eno so wonsem aba abeto monten a obetimi ahwe na we answer the Obokrata friend said the finder and somehow we also ediaba we must Ghana this share 343,264 and as I make say senior high school computer placement system yet me up school said the amom nemu 151,266 wa momo de machine hu wa muntie so man ko na mo ko school said the abe betimi aboama bibia so atimi akonka na ede amom na awurade adom yese China ban edis kabi ba wo mo de ba beboa wo mangana said the abe ya child health nkwada wo mo kwa nkwada ya wo mu firi muntem wo se nkwada ni bi wo se yare bia ba bebo na mra bo so na bo se ntehye wa bi ni ade wo betia ni kum no wato na nanom wonse do no yesi nyina ye behwe ni atimi ayeden etu ase anase atimi abra ase na malnutrition wo se nkwada ni bi wo bedidi kama no so na aduane no ahoɔden
nim wo za bo fa no watoro
na utria nkwe ya no bo za akra no ayi koshoko wo akra na afu a wo se na fu ayi kakraka na ni tin so kakraka okay can't tikelenkelen ne na akonhwe a so okay ti bo se ekoba ne sa bo se nani mai hyen na ni trinyu no asa jerry case ne ade no yesi ni nyina China for beboa said ye beya ye betimi ate na we so say we will clamp down on LGBTQI+ practice yesi IGP na this answer me atudwa say saa no ma no Ghana ye mra mu no anyintum etis omu so bi eye bi na obaabi omu beko na saa nipa kro no omakoyere no se de be ya omu dwumadi omu die no eto betimi etwenti de obokrata your friend said the finder and what the way e buy ye na Ghanaian Observer the obokrata so de ode buy ye peace council asundua omosre na e wo ha opanyina less mode ne World Bank and sensam no eno so wo ha na panyina wane na tu abanfo efa mpomde won sam so Dr. Insiasare Anthony Insiasare ene what they want some some about mountain or say fight against COVID-19 vaccines or say vaccines are not for sale was he a catcher Ghana for so be aba no be catcher some COVID-19 vaccine branamen ton ma wani pakron me encho yenton Ghana de ono kwano no yanka wo bi be business wom na fe be wi ase na kwabrane so no na wo pai ne tse de ye pantos wudum was obi obey say bia ye nche na essence ye nton and again say some mampanyini kan wasem no so ene de obokrata yi wo no so de bia ba Ghanaian Times obokrata so some krona na mo so
o de no betwa to okwaku
ni nyina akwa again say some na ena wo mo de ba ye na ayi akosua ka tu a wo de ba ye akosua ka tu a wo de ba ye katafa toso miensa akosua de cartoon aba na akosua cartoon no was vaccination roll call na akosua ye stage 1 stage 2 stage 3 stage 1 no wasoro eno ye akwada keto a ye man eduru na de atro ni was polio TB eno ye yare a ye ma akwara bi a chese wabie nanum a ye de eduru etum na wobisa say polio TB obroni kill our pikins question mark eti broni ekun ye ma na akran wabie nanum na maame ye te say ma akra duane ye de no ena stage 2 no eno won fifi eno ye yellow fever hepatitis B ena ababa wabi ono de nurse ni na e wone pane ena nurse ni ebisa say white man take kill we nurse obisa say sa empane na ewo ye no yellow fever na hepatitis B no broni di kunyen na de etoso miensa no akra bi a wowia na we de wo ha onya akra wo ye panyini ene wakuntunu ho na wawro ni pieto eti no asamum eti wawro ni pieto ena wo bisa say so why after reject COVID-19 vaccine the question no bisa ne say yesa ye wo ye polio ye wo ye TB yangu ye nyinyini kakra ye wo yellow fever ye wo hepatitis B yangu broni enkuye ya edi enti na we na nya ade a wo begie ene wo bisa say hand or buttocks are they ready for am why it will be say how the be one nsa na how the be one to enti no awro ni pieto no ene wakuntu how the be one to afa be one prekuno nko na asem fa na asem kontie ne
bagu
akosu de ba enti sise yankwa na adwuma na de aka no de aka na nse
nante no aba
o maba na ayo ani abre
na o chere nante sports for yi
Sa
oh
but dem so mo de na si mo na so
ja
we don baby omudi ye you baby omudi ye my ade
rante no my ade
na ayo asere
adwuma no de na ma manche no e krado the maestro
maestro na kasa
maestro hasa so na Bernard Padibotwe
obo base ro
and writer and has for omuti yeye and
omuti yeye
yes
sesen
and has for omuti yeye
sesen
omuti yeye
da bi se kirem
na ye be say hia bio
o ka so bi try ya na asasem ho
omuti yeye
na so omumienu no makoko atipenko
mna me tese omuti na yeye
obi ati yeye
debi has for omuti yeye
sa